Hey everybody, it's April. Really quick, I had to come out here. Y'all, I went to CVS again today, and I had some coupons for L'Oreal. Everything. L'Oreal just sent out a lot of coupons the past couple of Sundays. Well, I've been clipping and clipping and clipping, and now I'm able to use my coupons. Well, I got this L'Oreal. We're going to the park, CJ. Just give me a minute. This is L'Oreal Ever Sleek shampoo and conditioner. It's called Intense Smoothing Conditioner, and the shampoo is Reparative Smoothing Shampoo. I also, because CVS had it on 2 for $12, and then you spend $25 in L'Oreal hair products and you get $10 back in extra care bucks. So ultimately, you're really paying like $15 for 4 really, really good, otherwise expensive items. And excuse my camera, y'all. I'm having to use my cell phone. But I also got this. Well, that's the box. This is the bottle. This is a frizz-taming cream serum. So after I wash and condition in the shower and put that on, and then I put this humidity-defying leave-in cream. So this is on my Deep Wave Virgin unit from Order Weeks online. Now, this is how it looks wet, but y'all, once it dries, that's what I came on here to tell y'all. Once it dries, I'm going to do another video and post it later on. The hair is so pretty. It has body, and it's soft, and I'll show y'all. But me and CJ about to go to the park. I just want to come on here real quick just to tell y'all about these products. If you got your deep wavy units or your deep wavy sew-ins or your any of your curly units, baby, this stuff is the bomb. Right there at CVS, 2 for $12.99. Spend $25, get $10 back. So go check that out. I'll see y'all later. Bye.